How I made this Archer statue from small soldiers. After finding a 3D file online, I loaded all the pieces of the statue into the slicing software and printed them on my Elegoo Saturn 8K resin printer over multiple prints. Once all the pieces were printed, I primed them with white spray paint to get rid of layer lines and painted each piece with acrylic paints. I then assembled all the parts together with super glue and used a wooden chopping board I bought online as a base. I added magnets to all of Archer's accessories so they could easily be attached and removed. To complete the project, I gave the entire statue a gloss clear coat and added a mini LED twist light to Archer's back so his belt lights up just like in the movie. You can see the full video on my YouTube channel at We Make Models, but that's